Hello! This video is all about my reading area. It's based in a year one classroom, but it could be adapted to suit other year groups. And the theme is jungle. It's a jungle reading area. So I'm going to talk to you about what I've put in there and the reasons why. You'll see as the video goes on that by no means this is a perfect example. I've got things falling off the walls, things that need relaminating. So there's always room for improvement, isn't there? But I've been fortunate to have been in my classroom now for 3 years and I haven't changed the theme in that time. I've just been adding to it as we go. So I hope you can get some ideas from it and I shall show you now. This is my reading area. Where possible, I think it's great to have it in the corner of a room as it's more likely to be a quiet space. I have this sign hanging up from the ceiling and I like to use fishing wire because it's see-through and it's super strong as well. So basically it's just a piece of cardboard that I've painted and downloaded the letters online. You'll notice that I have lots of book buddies for the children to use, and I do encourage them to get one because it gives the children a bit of a purpose for their reading. And let's face it, when you're snuggled up at home with a book, there's nothing better than having your teddy with you. I do like to link my reading area to geography, so I downloaded an image of the local area and have encouraged the children to see if they can spot their house on it. I have kept the display quite basic in here. The animal pictures I've found in some magazines and they hopefully make the area more appealing for the children. These question cards are from Twinkle. If we're lucky enough to have a free adult to go in our reading area, these can help them to have a really in-depth conversation about one of the books. And as the children become more confident with their reading, they will then be able to read them and use them to ask each other about the books. So my amazing teacher next door had a great idea to put the tricky words onto key rings. So we've split them into the phonics phases and encouraged the children to read them when they go in. Here is my gorgeous worry frog. He's quite old now but was originally bought from IKEA. I like him in particular because he's got a zip for his mouth. And this is the poem that goes with him. I'm your little worry frog. I am always here. When worries pop into your head, don't let them turn to fear. Take a piece of paper, make sure you write your name, explain your worry, write it clear and plain. Put the worry into my mouth and let me eat the fear. Put a smile upon your face, then give a great big cheer. For those children that don't feel comfortable to voice their worries, this can be a great way for them to communicate. I've got quite a few cushions and blankets for the children to use. The ones that look like tree stumps were bought from Amazon. They were quite cheap and I'm really pleased with the quality. The backdrop is a shower curtain. Again, this was from Amazon and I liked it because it's got a nice waterfall on it. Our current topic is wild about animals, so we have lots of books linked to that topic. These get changed each half term, but with some staple books that are a constant throughout the year. This is my newest purchase, again from Amazon. I promise I don't work for them. It's a children's map and I've covered it with sticky back to try to keep it from getting ripped. The children love looking at it and I find that it really stimulates some great discussions. I really hope you've enjoyed having a look at my reading jungle. I'm always open to new ideas, so please do comment below any suggestions you have to improve it. I really would love to hear from you. As I said at the start, this has been a work in progress for 3 years now, so if you're not happy with your reading area at the moment, give it some time and attention and you will get there. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel to reach new people. Thanks, bye for now.